Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Explained. Today, I want to share a simple 10-minute daily routine that can really improve your English fluency. You don't need long lessons or big textbooks. Just 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. When you practice regularly, your brain stays connected to English. You start to think faster, remember words better, and speak more naturally. Let's break it down into 5 easy steps. Step 1. Listen. Find a short clip in English, maybe a podcast, YouTube video, or short story. Listen carefully without translating. Focus on how the words sound and connect. Listening daily trains your ear and prepares your brain for speaking. Step 2. Speak out loud. Repeat a few lines from what you heard. Copy the pronunciation and tone. It may feel strange at first, but this is how your mouth learns the movement of English. Don't aim for perfection, just focus on speaking clearly. Step 3. Personalize. Use the same sentences, but make them about your life. For example, if you hear, "I like to read at night," say, "I like to read in the morning." This makes the language meaningful and easier to remember. Step 4. Free speaking. Now speak freely. Talk about your day, your plans, or something you enjoy. Don't stop to correct yourself. The goal is to keep speaking naturally. Step 5. Reflect. At the end, think about what felt easy and what was difficult. Reflection helps your brain remember what you practiced. If you follow this routine every day, you'll notice results quickly. After 1 week, your confidence will grow. After 1 month, others will notice your progress. Remember, fluency doesn't come from long study sessions. It comes from small, daily practice. So start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin your journey toward natural English speaking. Thank you for watching English Explained. Keep learning, keep practicing, and believe in yourself.